Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use care package score streak. So what you need to do first is click your loadout at the bottom of your screen. So this is the score streak button. Click on it. As you can see, this is care package. So the care package is contain one random score streak that you already lock, and also there are unlock one, so you get the random one of score streak. Let's try in the gameplay. Welcome to the game. As you can see at the bottom of your screen, the core package or the score streak did not active yet, so you have to kill the opponent first to active the score streak. As you can see, my care package already active, so let's click it. Let's deploy here. So the package will deploy in here at this in the on the blue smoke. So let's wait the package. So this is the package. In this package I got this one. So it's throw the grenade. The mini tank throw the grenade. So I already active once more. Let's active the care package. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game. This is care package.